Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here at Hartshorne Park, Hartshorne Woods, something like that. I may have done something stupid, like never came here before. It being my first time here, really don't know what to expect. I didn't know there was so much cindy stuff. I heard about there being a lot of rocky sections. Haven't encountered that too much. But yeah, it's pretty great. Yeah, the black diamonds here aren't much. I was hoping there was something. There might be like a little drop of a rock or something. But I was hoping for some like technical stuff. But it's not bad. It's pretty fun. What? yeah, overall this place is pretty nice. I've rode all the black diamonds. They weren't as black diamond-y as I had hoped, but it's not bad. I mean, it's a good place to ride. I mean, it's fun. You get payoff for all the descent or all the climbing. You get payoff, fun descents. You get great views like this. I mean, seriously, you can't beat it. This is pretty great. It's kind of hard to get to though. You know, there's no like, you know, freeway or any way to get. You have to drive through a bunch of neighborhoods that get pretty congested. But yeah, all in all, great ride. Thanks for sticking around. I'll catch you next time.